Hey guys, hope you all are safe. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you all an easy DIY photo wall hanging which can be made in 15 to 20 minutes. All you need is black chart paper, scissor, fevicol, ribbon, jute ribbon, photographs, and a hanger. First of all, we will take the chart paper and cut according to the size of the photograph to stick it on the back side of the photo. Now we will take the hanger and start wrapping it with the ribbon. Once it is done, we will take the jute ribbon and measure the length required. After that, cut into 3 pieces. And start sticking the photographs like so. Now we will tie the knots properly. And decorate it with some fake flowers. So the photo wall hanging is ready. You can use it to gift it someone or you can make it for yourself. If you like the video, do give it a thumbs up and also do like, share and subscribe. Bye.